a little cold out here, so it's going to be a little slow. That massive cold front's coming through right now, and it's about to get seriously windy out here. And I just wanted to get a video of this thing, just in case this shop's not here tomorrow, because I've got trees that are leaning towards it, and they're talking like we're going to have 60-mile-an-hour winds. So anyway, that's high speed. These things don't have very much torque, so they and if you hear those noises, those are eBay messages on my phone. I don't know if I sold anything or not. Could just be somebody sending me a message. Could be somebody paying me lots of money. Who knows? Anyway, like I said, it's about 45 degrees out here, so this fan's kind of cold. And the 36-inch originals don't have a lot of torque, so they run significantly slower when they're cold. And I have done a 3-speed mod to this one. And it winds up just a hair bit faster when it's warm than it is now. Does that make any sense? No, it didn't. It runs a little bit faster than it does now when it's warm. Maybe, I don't know, that fast maybe? Something like that. And that is an 8.5 MFD capacitor connected in series with the low speed, for the record. And a 3-speed pull chain. Actually, that particular pull chain came out of a Fastco Charleston. I built this thing in 06, 07 maybe. I actually really need to go through it. I actually really need to clean up the finish a little bit. But Sean Brown came to the shop the other day and we put up that thing and messed around a little bit. And got the idea, since I had just set up my bubble wrap rack and my, I guess you call it craft paper rack, and I'm going to put something there. I don't know if it's going to be more bubble wrap or like a tape dispenser or something, I don't know, to make my shipping expenditures or extra dentures. Right. To make my shipping nightmares, I mean shipping adventures, go smoother, so that's the reason why I did that. Anyway, the only thing that would make this thing cooler was if I could somehow convert it to electrically reversible. And that actually is possible to do. What I'd have to do is I have to replace the shaft with one out of a fan like that, or really any electrically reversible original, I think, because they're all the same length, and then take a winding out of a 42-inch original, or alternatively, I believe the winding in these things is exactly the same winding as a 42-inch original. And the question is, will that fit in that? And I think the answer is yes. But those flywheel hunters like that are actually a lot more rare than a 36-inch original ever would be. So would I don't know, would I cannibalize one of those things to do something custom with this? Probably not. However, if somebody comes across a junky, rusty, etc., 42-inch original that they just want to get rid of or sell cheap or to sell cheaply, I'll buy it and I'll do it, because it would be cool to have a 3-speed electrically reversible 36-inch original, especially in kind of like a brushed nickel finish like this. And that's not the original tag. It's actually a tag off of a junky 2000 original that was mounted outside. But I thought it looked cute, so I put it on there. Anyway, later, Gators. And try not to get blown away tomorrow if you live on the East Coast. Alright, later. Bye.